The world of agriculture has changed dramatically in the past 2 centuries. Not long ago, fields were plowed and harvested by simple tools, pulled by a team of oxen. Thanks to advancements in technology, the modern farmer is able to operate more efficiently than ever before.
As the equipment got larger and larger, it became apparent that there was a need for better support of the weight. The machinery got bigger and the soil remained the same. But whether soil compaction, soil disturbance, or just rutting in general, all require the same thing, a lower ground pressure.
These changes in farming technology have had a dramatic effect on the quality of soil and overall sustainability of our nation's farmland.
Agriculture machinery has gotten tremendously larger over the last 50 to 100 years, and it has had certainly a negative impact on the agricultural soils that we use to produce our food, our fiber, and now our fuel. We see limitations in crop yields because of the heavy equipment that we're using. We see increases in erosion. We see a lack of moisture, a lack of water being held in the field, and so that water runs off, carrying valuable nutrients, pesticides, and soils into our rivers and our waterways. So heavy machinery not only affects plant growth, which it does dramatically, but it also affects the environment to a large degree as well.
Soucy International is taking steps to meet the needs of the modern farmer.
Soucy is a 1,200 employee company that's involved in the manufacturing of several components, including rubber tracks. We think we're one of the world leaders in the manufacturing of rubber tracks. We've introduced now more than 5 years ago a track conversion system for tractors, combines, and trailers. Our dream is to replace every tire on this planet with a rubber track. We invest heavily in product development. We work with our customers. We do intensive product testing. We're focused on innovation and R&D.
Soucy International is committed to helping farmers address the issues of soil quality, disturbance, and compaction.
The future of farming will require more efficiency and productivity. The Soucy Track system provides a comprehensive approach. How to plant and harvest with large machinery with minimal effects to the ground, minimizing the cost of inputs, maximizing yield potentials, covering more ground with less machinery, making the farm more productive.
To increase crop efficiency and reduce the stress of heavy machinery on our soil, farmers must change the way their equipment interacts with their farmland.
Ever since we purchased Soucy Tracks in '09, made less trips over the field. We don't have to worry about tearing up the ground, rutting it up.
This track system's helped our farm quite a bit by pulling 40-inch equipment, 80-inch equipment during the winter months, from not compacting the ground, from not rutting out the ground. These tracks here has enabled us in the crucial time to get the plantings done.
The way prices and fuel prices are nowadays, it's just all about saving money, and Soucy Tracks have made us save a lot of money. We've got our money back out of what we paid for our tracks of what we don't burn in diesel.
Today we're going to harvest rice. It's been flooded since May. We've drained it a couple weeks ago, and it's just about to get dry enough where we can get in the field now.
Soucy Track allows farmers to utilize a system to reduce these effects on their own existing farm machinery.
Soucy Track systems can be used on existing farm machinery already in the farm fleet, allowing the farmer to use and to keep the track system as he trades or sells his tractor, easily changing from tires to tracks and then back to tires.
Soucy manufactures each and every component of this system. Every component has been precisely engineered to work with the one next to it. We can ensure quality, we can ensure easy installation on the tractor, no cutting, no welding, no damage. They bolt on and can be easily removed should the need be there. Our track conversion systems can be installed on several tractor models from pretty much every tractor manufacturer. We picked the most popular models and adapted track systems specifically for those tractors.
By replacing tires with rubber tracking, Soucy is able to change the way we farm.
With over 300% more footprint, not only do you get over 3 times as much flotation, you get over 3 times as much traction, reducing slippage.
Since we've gone to Soucy Tracks, we've been able to save trips across our fields. You don't rut up, you're able to plant sooner, harvest sooner, which just basically saves us money overall.
By increasing traction by more than 330%, the Soucy Track allows tractors to increase performance while decreasing power usage.
This lets you do more with less, saving you equipment costs and fuel usage.
By increasing efficiency, Soucy International is reducing the impact of heavy machinery on farmland.
We see ourselves become even more focused on improving traction and reducing ground compaction. We've launched our product line in the ag business more than 5 years ago now, and we see a huge potential for it. We are new in the ag business, but we're very experienced with rubber tracks. So we look at the market with a fresh and innovative approach, and we see the benefits of tracks in the ag business.
Tractors on Soucy Tracks with positive drive and a minimal ground pressure allows the farmer to plant and to harvest at the right time, optimizing the schedule of the farm operation. Lowered ground pressure and increased traction, this is the future of farming.
Soucy International is changing the way we look at farm machinery. The idea is simple: farm smarter, not harder. For more information, visit www.soucy-track.com or call 877-474-6665.